It's going to be a hot one for all the players on the field, even at 7:30, Sam.
Yeah, and they're really being smart about just canceling all those activities. You know, let's just wait till next week, because I promise you, Brooke, next week will be a lot nicer.
80s?
Yes, we're looking at 80s and more than likely mid-80s here, not upper 80s, and humidity is going to be dropping a lot more next week, which will be making it feel a lot more pleasant outside. Let's take a closer look at our Max HD radar. We're watching a couple of showers and rumbles of thunder actually making its presence known right over Springfield right now. Springfield's been rather warm, one of the warmer spots in Kentuckiana in the midday hours through the course of this week, but right now I promised you one of the cooler spots due to this thunderstorm that is overhead right now. We're not watching severe weather, just a couple of hit or miss showers and storms right across the Marion County area and Washington County as we speak. You can see the coolest air is off to the northeast right now. That's also where the thunderstorms have been underway through the course of this morning and midday. We're sitting at 85 right Metro Louisville. Of course, the warmest air today, we do think the best chance of picking up feels like temperatures between 105 to 110 will be off to the west. That's where there's been more sunshine present as well. Jasper, you're already at a balmy 103 for your feels like temperature. We're at 94 here in Louisville, and E-Town is sitting at 97 as we speak. Now, as we go about the rest of the day today, speaking of 97, that's likely going to be our true air temperature here in Louisville when it comes to the high temperature overall. We'll have to see what happens. If we deal with the clouds kind of sticking around through the course of the early afternoon to mid-afternoon, we might have to adjust that high temperature a little bit cooler. Our sunset just before 8:30 into the evening, and well, along with that later sunset, we're still going to continue to watch for temperatures through the course of the 8 p.m. hour, still in the low 90s here across the region. We do have the excessive heat warning that is in effect. This began at noon today and goes all the way into tomorrow evening. A heads up if you reside in this purple shaded area to make sure you are using those precautions to be staying cool as best you can, stay out of that heat. We're expecting to see a blast of heat both this afternoon and then again tomorrow. As you can see, excessive heat warning is issued when there's a heat index value between 105 and 110 degrees, and we're going to be getting that this afternoon and especially tomorrow. I do think there will be a lot more sunshine as the course of the day rolls on tomorrow than today, and that's why in Louisville we might be hitting 110 for that feels like temperature tomorrow during the day. 92 by Saturday, but take a look, like I just alluded to with Brooke, it's going to get a lot more comfortable next week. We're going to be noticing a lot of mid-80s likely, and along with that cooler air is going to come in a chance for a couple of showers and storms, more so tomorrow evening and then again persisting into early on Saturday. We're going to clear out, though, if you got some Saturday afternoon and Sunday afternoon plans in store here across the Ohio River Valley. Today, we're going to climb to the low to mid-90s by the 5 p.m. hour, clearing out tonight. And notice tomorrow during the day, we're mainly staying dry up until about 6 p.m. To the north, we're getting suggestions there will be a couple more storms firing up, mainly along and north of I-64. Some of these storms might be entering Jefferson County as we get into the 8 p.m. hour. And again, they're going to drift their way down to the south and east late tomorrow night. Heading into the midnight hour, one or two storms might be kind of lingering. And as we wake up on Saturday, there might be a couple more additional thunderstorms, but I do think the majority of us will be dry throughout the course of the weekend. We have a lot of events going on. We're going to be cooling off a lot more, though, on Sunday, a high of 86. And here's our 7-day forecast a bit closer. Staying dry throughout the course of next week. A lot of sunshine as well. And again, most of our Saturday showers and storms will be in the morning. We're going to stay dry Sunday, a high of 86.